In this video, I'm going to show you how to change country on Poppo Live. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up your Poppo Live application and sign into your account. From here, we need to go ahead and click onto our user profile icon on the bottom right hand corner of the page. And now on your user profile page, we need to scroll down and click on the help button. Then from here, the bottom of the page, go ahead and click onto my feedback and then click onto questioning. Now from here, we'll say, please select the category of the question, click on consult and then account and security. Now we need to go ahead and describe your problem in detail so that it can help us ASAP. So basically say, hey, I would like to change my country. I'm in Australia, but say if I want to change it to the UK, I'm going to say something along the lines of, hey, please help me change my country from Australia to the UK. And then go ahead and click on submit and give Poppo Live 24 to 48 hours to respond back to you and help you in doing so.